Okay, here we are this morning on the National Mall. There's the Washington Monument. Holistic Travel Guy here. Good morning, everybody. Just got off the metro right over there. Guys are passing out free baseball hats for the 4th of July weekend. And he said there's no charge, they're just accepting tips. So the hats are free, you just have to offer some kind of donation. Here's the information booth where we just got this cool nifty flyer for the Smithsonian Folklife Festival, featuring the lifestyle of folks in the Ozarks that have been living in the Ozarks for the last hundreds and hundreds of years. And here's the grassy area of the National Mall. They've got tents set up for a stage, which looks like that's where the main stage is going to be for the music. And of course they've got vendors all over the place, food and drink, arts and crafts, and they even got a golf cart shuttle, I think. So we're going to start over this area, do a circle all the way around. Oh my God, look at this gigantic barbecue fire going on over here. Let's take a look at that. Guy just started his barbecue. This wasn't on fire like this when we got off the metro, but now this guy is firing up the grill. And let's see what the name of his barbecue is. Wood-fired barbecue. Look at how beautiful. All those grills are gonna cook up all kinds of good. Folklife Kitchen by Bark. Order here. So we're gonna be back here in about an hour or so after those coals burn down. We're gonna get some fresh barbecue from Bark. Buenos dias, señor. And here's the menu for the Folklife Kitchen. Smoked pulled pork sandwich, 19. Fried chicken plate, 19. Beans and greens for 14. Oh, look at over here. You can even get some more stuff over here at the Folklife Kitchen by Bark. They have all kinds of beer and wine, vanilla soft serve ice cream, smoked pulled pork sandwich. And here's some more prices for their stuff. Fried chicken plate. So yeah, we could definitely come back here for some lunch later on. There's the U.S. Capitol way down at the end, and you can even see the haze in the sky from the smoke from the wildfires in Canada. Oh, here's a little bit better shot of the main stage. So we'll see you down in the Arts and Crafts Center over at the Washington Monument. See you there at the other end of the mall.